is an introduction to the AVID Freshman Seminar course at Santa Monica High School. AVID is an elective course, meaning students can choose to take the course, whereas Freshman Seminar is a graduation requirement for all ninth graders. We put these two courses together because both are about making informed choices. Let me first show you a short video from AVID.
People like me.
People like me.
People like me.
People like me don't go to college.
Nobody's ever going to convince me that I'm going to be somebody someday.
Street cred. It's more valuable to me than my education. My life will be defined by those who doubt me.
I know there are some out there looking up to me.
I'll let those AP and honors students be future leaders and policymakers.
Because me, I'm just one out of a long line of statistics.
Who knows? Maybe I'll even study.
But it won't affect how my life is going to turn out.
People tell me I can't succeed because they can't see past my skin color or how I talk. They say I don't care enough to be a first-generation college student.
I am the last person in my family that's going to be successful. I'm aware of the skills and talents I possess.
This is my destiny.
That was me before AVID helped me see my potential, believe in myself, and turn all of that around. And now,
this is my destiny. I am aware of the skills and talents I possess to be successful.
I am the last person in my family that's ever going to be a first-generation college student.
I don't care enough, they say, because they can't see past my skin color, how I talk.
People tell me I can't succeed, but it won't affect how my life is going to turn out. Who knows? Maybe I'll even study statistics.
Because me, I'm just one out of a long line of future leaders and policymakers.
I'll let those AP and honor students be looking up to me.
I know there are some out there, those who doubt me. My life will be defined by my education.
It's more valuable to me than street cred. I'm gonna be somebody someday.
Nobody's ever gonna convince me that people like me don't go to college.
The AVID elective targets students who are potentially first-generation college students, meaning their parents didn't attend an American college or university. It also targets students who may come from a low-income family, or maybe they come from a background that is underrepresented in American colleges and universities. AVID is a program to help any student really get into a four-year college. Now let me go on to the freshman seminar portion. Freshman Seminar is a course again taken by all ninth graders at Santa Monica High School. The first semester is for college and career education, which is very similar to the AVID curriculum already. Second semester, the first grading period is dedicated to health, again about making informed decisions, and facing history. You may not know about facing history, so let me share this short video with you. For more information about the AVID Freshman Seminar course, please contact your Sam High advisor.